Welcome to BookShark Virtual, Setting Prerequisites. As a teacher, you may want to control your students' access to certain activities within a course. One way to do this is with prerequisites. When you set one or more prerequisites for an activity, each of these prerequisites must be completed to unlock the activity. Select a course from the Teacher app. Click the menu, then click Editor. From the Syllabus tab, locate the folder or individual activity you'd like to set a prerequisite for and click the Edit icon. By default, the Activity tab is selected. Click the Settings tab. From the Visibility and Access card, check the box beside Block Access until student completes other activity. Then click Choose Activity. You can now select the activities that must be completed in order to unlock this activity. Click the arrow beside each week's folder to show or hide its contents. You can select an entire folder or individual activities within a folder to make them prerequisites. When finished with your selections, click Done. The prerequisites for the selected activity can now be seen from the Visibility and Access card. You can make changes to these at any time. Click Save. From the Syllabus tab, the Properties pane now shows that activities must be successfully completed for the selected activity. If a student attempts to proceed to an activity without completing its prerequisites, a list of outstanding items is displayed. Clicking any item from this list will bring your student directly to that item. As your student completes the prerequisites, they're removed from the list.